I know Christmas is right around the corner, but we're gonna go ahead and skip ahead and create some really awesome winter decor. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. Now I know Christmas is right around the corner. I don't know if you guys are still wanting to see Christmas stuff. There's so many Christmas videos out there that I feel a little overwhelmed by it. So like I said, today we're going to be doing some winter decor. It's going to be super easy, quick, and inexpensive. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to stop all the Christmas decor yet or not. I might do like an elf on the shelf type of video just for ideas, but we'll see. Anywho, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Araceli and this is Araceli Chan at DIY. I would love for you guys to stick around, join the madness. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. You'll instantly become part of the DIY family, and then also hit notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Not gonna make this super long. Let's go ahead and jump right into the first DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this all is calm sign, and honestly a lot of these DIYs are perfect for Christmas also if you want to do that. So I'm going to start out with all Dollar Tree items. I found that hanging sign and I like it just the way it is, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out and attach it to this ornament piece also found at Dollar Tree. It's going to be super easy to do. Just cut it out, trace it onto the ornament, and then just glue it on there. I'm going to be using some spray tacky glue. Okay, so once that's all done, I'm going to be taking this LED wire lights. They have the little golden leaves. I picked up a couple of those at Dollar Tree. They do have them in green and then also in gold. And I'm going to make a hole right onto my piece here, and I'm going to thread all my, what is it called? Like a garland. I'm going to thread it through, and then on the back, I am going to be gluing the battery pack, and then I'm just going to glue the garland onto the wooden piece as well. Just be careful not to glue the actual lights down. And you can hang it just as is, but I'm going to go ahead and attach it to one of my wreaths in my front door. For this frosted glass candle holder, I'm going to use a vase from Dollar Tree as well as some of these cedar picks. They're the glittered kind. They do have different colors, red, silver, gold. I'm going to use a silver. And then I'm also going to be using the frosted glass spray and just going to go ahead and spray it on there. I thought it wasn't working, but you actually have to let it dry so that it gets that frosted glass look as you see here. And then I'm just going to cut the picks and glue them all around the vase. So I wanted to make an arrangement with birchwood branches, but I don't have any, so I'm going to create my own. And I just printed a birchwood background. Just Google birchwood background and you guys will see a lot of stuff come up. So printed that out, and then I'm going to be using some dowels from Walmart. These are a little bit thicker than the ones you would find at Dollar Tree, or you could just use regular branches if you want. And then all I'm going to do is add some regular glue stick onto my paper and then put my dowel on there and then just roll it over. And honestly, you would not be able to tell that they're not actual birchwood unless you examine them super closely. You could always crumple up the paper also and then bring it back out to give it some more texture, but I think these look pretty perfect considering what it is. And then you can decorate it however you want, add whatever type of stems you have. I will be using this little Dollar Tree jar and then adding some white sand. I did end up using 2 bags of this, and it's a good amount because you'll be able to adjust the height difference on the dowels if you don't want to cut the dowels. I don't want to cut them because I may always use them for like a different DIY. But yeah, just add whatever type of greenery you want on there. I went out to my backyard and I just took some branches off the tree, and it was really dark, and I brought the bugs inside too, it looks like. It was really dark, so I couldn't really pick and choose, you know, what branches I wanted, but these are fine. Just take off all the leaves and you're good to go. For this DIY lantern, I am going to be using one of these Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and I'm actually going to be cutting the stems. So after I spread it all out, I did cut the ends of the stems, probably like 1 to 2 inches depending on the size, just to make it fit inside of my lantern. And then I took those extra pieces to wrap around the metal piece. That way all you see is green. I didn't want it to be too tall in the lantern. I'm having such a hard time talking today, you guys. I don't know why. I'm so tongue twisted. I went ahead and cut off the bottom piece and then just took some fabric from a Dollar Tree. It's like a terry cloth washcloth. Just cut out a piece and made like a little skirt. And then this little extra Dollar Tree bowl thing, I went ahead and melted a hole right at the bottom, and that's what's going to kind of keep that from toppling over, and I'm going to glue it on top of the lantern or inside of the lantern. So just kind of fix it however you want. This lantern I've reused several times, so I will link the latest video to show you how I made that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's basically just Dollar Tree frames and like a Dollar Tree sign. And then decorate it however you want. I wanted to follow that winter theme, also a white Christmas theme. So I'm adding some white or like bright white or bright blue LED lights and some really cute glass snowflake ornaments from Dollar Tree. Oh yeah, and I don't want to forget the cute little dove that's sitting on there also. To make this really cute winter garland, I'm going to be using 2 packs of these 6-piece ornaments from Dollar Tree that are nice and soft, and then also 3 of these star ornaments also from Dollar Tree. I love those, and then some white nautical rope. And I'm just going to add some beads to the ends of the stars and also the icicle ornaments. And at the end here on the rope, I am going to tie a little bit of twine and then just cut off that tape that they have at the end and just kind of comb it out to make it into like a tassel. And I did hire my son to help me with this because it might be a little bit time consuming. I wanted to get onto like other projects as well. But right at the half mark of the rope, I'm going to go ahead and tie the star. And this is about 9 feet long, I believe. And so once that star is on there, I'm going to go ahead and put the other halfway mark and add the star there, and so on and so forth. For this "'Tis the Season" sign, I'm going to be reusing one that I had already made. I will link the original down below so you guys know how I made it. I'm going to remove the reindeer head and also the reindeer sticker, and I'm just going to add the backward head reindeer from Dollar Tree, just glue it right on there. And then, what was I going to say? I don't even know. I also have these little glitter trees from Dollar Tree. They're just like some ornaments. Gonna glue those right on there. And obviously this was made with my Cricut when I originally made it, but you guys don't need a Cricut. You can just hand letter or use stickers or decals or anything else you would want. Never let anything discourage you if you don't have a certain machine, and that's pretty much it. There are so many variations of candle holders that you can make with Dollar Tree stuff. It's crazy. And I feel like I've made like 100 different variations throughout my YouTube career. You guys can see I did the candlestick holders. There's 3 of them. I did glue 2 of them together. And then the other ceramic candle holders, they're newer to my Dollar Tree. I picked up several of those. And you guys can see I'm adding some glue at the bottom of that one because I want it to stick in there really well. I don't want it to like topple over or be crooked. I don't know what happened to my spray can here, but this is the paint that I'm going to use to paint all of this, and that is it. Easy peasy. For this wreath, I'm going to use a Dollar Tree wreath, and then this stem I bought at Walmart, and I went ahead and cut it in half and just kind of attached it on there with some zip ties. Arrange it however you want. I'm pretty sure you're not all going to find this specific stem. I purchased it at Walmart through like their Christmas clearance, so I've been using it for a while for a lot of different projects. And then I'm just going to add some Dollar Tree florals here and then also some doves. And to hang it, I will be using part of a beaded garland from Dollar Tree. For this welcome sign, I'll be using one of these wood hanging decor pieces from Dollar Tree, as well as the trees in this DIY 3D craft kit. I'm also going to be using this welcome sign that I found. I haven't seen these in a while, but I picked one up. I found this little reindeer. I don't know if it came from the DIY craft kits or not. It was just laying around, so I picked it up and I'm using it. To stain my wood, I'll be using just some regular Dollar Tree acrylic paint and some water mix. Just add it in a little spray bottle and use a baby wipe to stain it. And then just using normal home decor, not home decor, home paint, house paint from Home Depot. You guys see that big old gallon size. I use it a lot, so I think it's better than using regular acrylic paint. And then just going to be flicking it with a paintbrush on there as much as you want, as little as you want. I just want it to give it that snow effect. And I didn't show you guys how I glued the pieces on there, but it's pretty simple to just glue them on there. I don't know what happened to my footage, but this is the end result. So last but not least for this one, I'll be using this little vase from Dollar Tree as well as one of the Christmas trees. And on this one, I didn't spread out the branches or anything like that. I just kind of like pushed them up, and they're a little rounded, not like completely straight up, but you guys can kind of see here. And then I did go ahead and add some glue to the bottom part of that tree, like the branches, so it'll stick right onto the vase. And then just using some regular paint and a brush, just gonna do my flocking of my tree. You guys can use fake snow or whatever other method that you guys like to use. This is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna add 2 of these beaded garlands. They come in an 8-pack at Dollar Tree, and just gonna decorate it a little bit, and that's it. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Once again, let me know which one of these DIYs was your favorite in the comments down below. And then of course, if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. So before you go, if you did enjoy this video, I would love so much for you guys to give me those thumbs up. Those truly help my channel out. And then also, don't forget to subscribe. You guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye.